that shit. Told you, each verse gets deeper and deeper. Just give you a couple thoughts. Let's get to it then. This is Shooter They Like right here. Listen. Face killers, niggas want to see who's realer. Survival of the fittest, I be praying on gorillas. Freddy versus Jason, living savage, killing killers. I be trying to keep the peace, eventually it's fuck these niggas. Praying to a white man, smile to my white fans. They designed the system, got us killing and it might end. To make it to the top, it's only one to make you fight friends. White boy chasing clout, call you nigga, make you fight fans. Illusion at its best, I decline to share the rest. I say another word and end up taking 5 to the chest. For speaking on my mind, got us niggas lost in time. They'll do it and have it looking like it happened by my kind. How I'm supposed to sleep when 12 is really out to get you? Write a couple charges just to draw you out the picture. Did mama give advice and tell you just to read the scripture? It didn't help the Jews, so how you think it helps a nigga? Yeah. You gon' talk to him, right, bro?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Give him that truth then. Take my class then.
I left my ex-bitch by herself, it wasn't even a fault. I couldn't make her happy, I just turned her green like the hawk. I had 100 bitches all at once, ain't even get caught. Won't pay for pussy, I might pay just so she leave and don't talk. Nigga, I don't just rap, I really sold blocks in the trenches. You might spit some venom, that shit ain't toxic as this is. Before you mention me, what you want on lock is your missus. Ain't dissing no more rappers, I'm just inboxing they bitches. Living through stages, but we are just courageous, reckless and dangerous. The street life, I guess, is contagious. Adolescent ages, life's a book, we messing up pages. You know it's real when a shoebox your checkers is savings. The world's so big, I know it's up to me to explore. The time is now, you rappers gonna have to see me in store. I'm not just hungry, find out why I'm called the greediest for. Bitch, what I'm cooking up, they don't have the ingredients for. Jace, I'm out this bitch.